A 31-year-old woman from Mutabatuba in KwaZulu-Natal is pleading with the public for help after her life changed quickly from being a youthful body into an old woman. Her life changed after she met a foreign national man in South Africa. The two fell in love, but after they slept together, her life changed. The woman who was born in 1995 now looks like she was born in 1910, older than her mother.
Sebenza nami ngisebenza.
Nisebenzela kephi?
Bengisebenzela eSt Lucia.
Kwakungowakephi lo muntu?
Wathi umsuthu ngowaseLimpopo kodwa unomuzi eStenga.
Okay.
So wathi akathanda namuntu ngoba vele nami ngangisingile ngaleso sikhathi ngifuna ukumove on. So ngamove on ke naye ngazi ukuthi akathanda namuntu. Kodwa wayeshilo ukuthi unengane embili uma wengane sebahlukana naye. Yebo. So ke sambatha ke lelo suku olodwa lolo. Ngagula angazi kwenzakalani nami kodwa mangiya laba bamanga bathi umuntu engathanda naye because yena umuntu engagcina ngithandana naye uyena kuphela engimazi. And mabesho bathi lento engayithatha kulo muntu lo umuthi babemlokhu nje ngawo akusiwona umuthi wala umuthi abawulanda emazweni. So nami ngangazi ngangithi ngimove on ngiqala relationship nomuntu ngoba naye ethi ufuna ukuqala phansi impilo kodwa ngangazi ukuthi yena ungiqambela amanga. Siwona umuthi wala umuthi abawulanda emazweni. So nami ngangazi ngithi kulo muntu relationship nomuntu ngoba naye ethi ufuna ukuqala phansi impilo lokhu nje ngawo kodwa ngangazi ukuthi yena ungiqambela amanga.